To adjust the drive chain tension on your Voyager, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is on a flat level surface. Remove both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panels away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, rotate the driven clutch counterclockwise to its end stop to move all chain slack to the tensioner side. Next, remove the fastener on the lower right side of the console. Then, remove the pushpin rivet securing the lower right portion of the console. Continue by removing the pushpin rivet underneath, securing the right fender to the footrest. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery for additional clearance. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent arcing. Next, loosen the adjuster bolt jam nut. Then, finger tighten the adjuster bolt until it can no longer be adjusted by hand. Then, back off 1/4 of a turn. Next, retighten the jam nut. And torque to specification while holding the adjuster bolt. If equipped, reinstall the battery beginning with the positive cable first to prevent arcing. Next, reinstall the pushpin rivet underneath the console. Then, install the pushpin rivet on the lower right portion of the console. Also, reinstall the lower console fastener and torque to specification. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.